bought a refrigerator online and it was delivered with a dent, the General Conciliation Body, Universalschlichtungsstelle des Bundes, resolves disputes between consumers and businesses, free for consumers, inexpensive for businesses. The benefits of conciliation can be easily applied for online, is faster than court proceedings, and is effective in many cases. For example, cases involving damaged articles, returns, problems with payment. The solution for the dented refrigerator, the General Conciliation Body, proposes a discount instead of an expensive return. When can the General Conciliation Body help? When other conciliation bodies are not responsible for dealing with the dispute. www.universalschlichtungsstelle.de